This is for all of my girlies who think that they are not pretty enough, who think they are not like beautiful and etc stuff. Okay, I just want to preface this video. My skin is ruined, although यहाँ पे light आ रही है, but if you see there is lot of pimples, a lot of scars. It's like an active pimple here, right there, बहुत thick. मतलब it's not ideal, ठीक है? And because of this particular thing, I always felt that I should not be taking care of myself because मैं कभी खूबसूरत तो बनने नहीं वाली हूँ. Should not like do skincare, or I should not just like dress up or be well dressed, or I just gave up on it entirely. Like यार मैं तो कभी कुछ होने नहीं वाला मेरा, मतलब I this because this is something that cannot be fixed, ठीक है? तो मैंने इतना hard give up कर दिया था, makeup, all of those things. I was just like not worth it because I won't be able to do it, right? Because I can't. And that way of thinking was the thing that ruined me, okay? And this is for all those ugly girlies, okay? To all the girls who think that they're not pretty, that they're not beautiful, that they're not conventionally pretty, etc. etc. Whatever BS mind. Maybe because you have stretch marks, maybe because you have acne, maybe because you have a different skin color, maybe because of your body type. जो भी reasons है तुम्हारे, okay? Whatever it is, but this is the way of thinking that you have, and if that is causing you to not take care of yourself, you should watch this video, and I'll give you exact reasons why. Number one, since I've been having acne since I was like in my 8th grade, okay, and it is a lot of, and I'm like going to graduate college now, so it is a lot of time to have acne and to just deal with acne, and it is not an easy journey if anyone knows. And I think there are like a lot of worse things, but we're not here comparing, okay? But bilkul matlab my confidence was always at rock bottom. Like I could never go into a room and say that I'm a pretty person, or I am pretty and people will like me because I'm pretty. I mean, I know that's maybe not ideal, whatever, but it's people call you pretty. I was never that person, okay? And I was like, okay, if I'm not that, what is the next thing that I can be? My personality. Maybe I'm funny, maybe I'm smart. So I chose the smart wala part because I was very academically validated, violated, whatever you want to say. So I chose that one. Back with my sunglasses and my lip balm.
Obviously, मैं sunglasses रख के बात नहीं करने वाली हूँ, but just because it's so cool, okay? And let me just put my lip balm. It is a very expensive lip balm, and I really like Vaseline. You know, my lips को खराब कर रहा है heel because I never had chapped lips, okay? Never ever had chapped lips. But ये जब से मैं लगाना start किया, मेरे lips ऐसे chap से हुए जा रहे हैं. पर ये ठीक भी कर दे रहा है उसको, फिर chap हो रहा है, फिर ठीक कर रहा है. तो I'm not sure if it's actually working or if it's gaslighting me into working. You get that? और मेरा eyeliner निकल गया ये वाला.
Where was I? Like I was saying, कि being the conventionally not pretty person, especially as a girl, okay, it's not that easy because like I'm just saying, you know, rich guy, pretty girl type of thing that's there. The word, I know it is getting better, I know it is getting fixed, but it's still just not. I don't know why I am putting eyeliner raat mein, but fuck it, we ball, okay? So it's not the most ideal thing in the universe, okay? So मैं तो मतलब my impression of myself just always was कि I just have to be the smart person, the person who is hardworking, never the person who is pretty. And I just always felt that I did not deserve it. So अगर मेरे को कोई गलती से कभी बोल भी देता था कि yeah, you look nice, I was like क्या झूठ. My mom used to be like no, झूठ माँ झूठ, कितना बड़ा झूठ बोल रही हो आप मुझे. And I used to just never believe that, and I think that's just a very very sad way to live my life. And like I've been working on that recently, and you know उसकी वजह से what happened, I just stopped working on myself. Like मैं मोटी हो गई क्योंकि मेरे को जिम नहीं जाना था, और मैं अपना खाने का खाती रहती थी, सब कुछ बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रखती थी. Nothing was in a way like rightly कि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार मैं कभी सुंदर ही नहीं हो पाऊंगी तो क्या मतलब है. I'll never be like the person on the internet or in the real life that I know. तो मैं क्या ही कर लूँ, okay? What is gonna help? And that always just really made me feel so sad कि मैं कुछ नहीं करती थी. And I think that is one of the biggest reasons why I am like, if I would have started like my taking care of myself journey a little bit pehle, I would have been in a better position now. But okay, give me a second. Let me put this eyeliner. Please don't ask me why I'm putting it on 2 baje. People take off makeup and I'm putting on makeup. But it's just eyeliner, so it's fine, I guess. I mean, to be honest, the best eyeliner is the Zudio eyeliner. Like, I think Zudio should collab with me, okay? I'm aggressively promoting your products all the time. It has the best eyeliner, but I'm भूल गई थी खरीदना, so we had to order this one. They're also doing a pretty good job, but I'm loyal to Zudio, okay? Anyways, मैंने lip balm लगा लिया, मैं फिर लगा लेती हूँ. This is La Ange. Oh, this is like the Vogue. Oh, what is this thing called? Vogue. Get ready with me. Yeah, it's रात के 2 बजे. For no reason at all. As I was saying, तो इसके वजह से and I really just want to reach out to all of the girls who are young and who are currently thinking कि यार they're not pretty, तो मतलब क्या ही, okay? First of all, pretty is very subjective, and I know it does not feel like that right now, and specifically because of internet. But there's this one supermodel called Anoki Ai, okay, and she was bullied a lot because of her skin color. And she went to this concert one day, and I think a photographer found her, and she became a sensation. Everyone's like, she should model. She's like a freaking supermodel right now, and she's so gorgeous. Like, I genuinely think that she's so freaking pretty. And just imagine that people like that have also been called not pretty and not ugly. And imagine you think that way. I'm pretty sure there are people that you think who are gorgeous, maybe who your friends may not agree with or whatever. ठीक है? तो first, pretty is subjective. तो अगर तुम खुद को पसंद नहीं आ रहे हो, it does not mean that no one in the world is gonna find you attractive. Okay? Number 2, why are you doing that to yourself? Why are you not calling yourself pretty? I mean, yeah, it is a tough conversation to have. मतलब मैं भी खुद को outright pretty तो नहीं ही बुलाती हूँ. And मैंने eyeliner fuck कर दिया यहाँ से. See, oh
man, this is so bad. A bad job done, man. A bad job done. But you know what's the best thing I like about eyeliner? जो जल्दी निकल जाते हैं. This video is the most, like, I'm so distracted in this video. Anyways.
But yeah, this is what the video is all about. You should. It is sad that we our first thought when we think about ourselves was that we're not pretty, but it is high time you should change that. Because here's the thing, you are helping nobody by thinking that you're not pretty. Okay, you are not helping anybody. तुम बस खुद का लाइफ खराब करने वाले हो, खुद के बारे में ध्यान नहीं रखने वाले हो. And I'll tell you why. When you have that internal bias of कि यार कुछ तो नहीं होने वाला, you put in less efforts. It also manifest wrong things. Like, you know, like मैं तो कभी खूबसूरत बनने नहीं वाली, तो you might manifest not being pretty, you know, even for yourself. And that is the first thing that we should fix. Okay, the first thing that needs to be fixed is your brain. Like, your brain has insane power. Okay, there's a thing called RAS, which basically means कि आप जो भी चीज़ को believe करते हो, your brain finds patterns and stuff in real life that will reinforce that belief. So for example, you believe that you're not pretty, you will find things that will tell you that you're not pretty. You'll either find people who will tell you that, you'll find comments, you'll find maybe Instagram posts that make you feel like, हाँ मैं तो pretty. Okay, so that is step number 1. And this can be flipped on the opposite side. So if you just start telling yourself कि नहीं मैं सुंदर हूँ, मैं खूबसूरत हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, blah 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 blah, if you just start that, you will find stuff that will tell you that you are pretty, that you are beautiful, that you are this, that you are that. And trust me, it helps so much. It really helped me a lot. कि I mean, honestly, I would, ये मैं ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, but I'm also still applying this ज्ञान. Okay, so do not hold me accountable for it. But it really does help me, you know, on days when I'm just like, yeah, I don't really look nice. My thought is like मैं कभी खूबसूरत लगने वाली हूँ नहीं, तो मैं क्यों ही effort डालूँ. But the days where I look nice and I look decent, so for example today I feel like I look nice and I look decent and I have a haircut, मैंने eyeliner लगाया है, my specs looks nice, which is again from Zudio by the way. When I look nice, I feel like yeah, things are alright. And I think those days then I want to put in a little more effort, okay, and I want to look a bit better, and that's all. Because see, even you in real life right now, you would have 2 looks. One is you normally, and one is going to be the look where you like yourself a little bit more, and it'll be like you save that for special occasions. Okay, stop saving that for special occasions. Always dress up. Always dress up. Like, going out, dress up. घर पे हो, dress up. Although मैं नहीं dress up होती घर पे and my mom keeps screaming at me, but it just helps you feel so much better. Your outfit, your outlook changes a lot by the thoughts that you're projecting. Imagine just putting on a dress, putting on a little bit of eyeliner, putting on a little bit of makeup, combing your hair. It's gonna make you feel better. Then why not do it? And that is the reason why I hate when we say that we're not pretty, because जब मैं ये बोलती हूँ ना, I just feel like I will never be pretty. तो मैं क्यों ही करूँ? तो मैं खुद को क्यों ही confidence दूँ? Brother, नहीं, it does not work that way. Okay, third step. After fixing your hair, after putting in efforts on a daily basis, find out what works for you. Now, for example, the outfit that I'm wearing right now might not look good on you, and the outfit that you are wearing right now would not look good on me. So go try out different things. And I'm not saying you have to go to H&M and Zara, blah blah blah. Nahi bhai. Zudio mein jump up. Okay, Zudio has gotten expensive, okay, but there are very good cheaper options. Sarojini chale jao, which again for the people, they leave it. I'm pretty sure you buy clothes from somewhere, right? Online, Amazon, you find so many options. Find stuff that works for you. Buy it. ठीक नहीं लग रहा, return कर दो, ठीक है? Try out, buy a bunch of things. Just figure out what your style is. Maybe it's tank tops, and maybe it's shirts like mine. Maybe it's crop tops. Maybe it's oversized t-shirts. Maybe it's shorts. Maybe it's long pants. Maybe it's fitted pants. And honestly, I don't know a lot about like fashion. I would love to, but मैं ऐसे कुछ guide तो भी बना नहीं सकती हूँ. But I would just say, inspo Pinterest पे जाओ, take out inspo of the things I feel like, oh pretty, and go on Savannah, go on Urbanic, go on Amazon, Myntra, Ajio, कितने सारे sites हैं, and order similar outfits. Image search करो and order those outfits and just see what looks good on you. Okay, figure out what looks good on you and just wear that, and then continue wearing that. It's just gonna make you feel so much better. I'll tell you why. जब आप खुद में अच्छा feel करते हो, when you feel good in yourself, it helps you a lot in just daily life. People will find you more attractive. You know, people not just find the looks attractive, but also how you present yourself. So if you ever wondered कि why this person, ये बंदे में कुछ है नहीं ऐसा खास, but ये तब भी इतना अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है, it's also very much because of the personality, the vibe they give off. If they give off the vibe कि यार I'm shit, you're also gonna think that person is shit. If they give off the vibe कि भाई मैं तो भगवान हूँ, तो तुम्हें भी लगेगा कि वो भगवान है, even though may or may not be true, but लगेगा तो सही, ठीक है? And that is what we have to do. We have to put in efforts in ourselves. We have to give off that energy कि यार we are good, okay? And it might feel like you're faking it a little bit, but it does not matter because you're faking it for yourself and you're faking a good thing, okay? You're faking a good thing. Then the fourth step is gonna be to do skincare. Now I cannot focus specifically for girls with skin conditions, PCOS, जो भी मतलब your issues are. Please, if मतलब for me, people बोलते हैं कि डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाऊँ, ठीक है? एंड मेरे को लगता है कि इंडिया में कौन मम्मी पापा हमें डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास लेके जाने वाला है फॉर एक्ने, ठीक है? आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज थिंक दैट वे, बट बाय द टाइम आई केम टू माई कॉलेज एंडिंग, माई मॉम एक्चुअली टुक मी टू अ डर्म, ऑल्दो मतलब कुछ चला कुछ नहीं चला उसका ढंग से, बट शी डिड दैट एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज stunned कि भाई वो कैसे लेके चलिए. To just have open conversation if they're willing to take you to doctor for whatever thing that you feel कि it's not that good, and if you can just go if you think it's a medical condition. Otherwise there are a lot of good videos out there, but I will not recommend कि if you have something severe, like अब जैसे मेरा acne है, a lot of the acne advice don't work on me, and trust me when you have acne पूरी दुनिया जहाँ आपको gossip देती कि यार नींबू लगाओ, बेकिंग सोडा लगाओ, ये लगाओ वो लगाओ, मैंने सब किया था and it has some worked, some did not work, but overall my skin there's nothing like change as such drastic, oh this is the magic ingredient for me. So it is very much you and your skin, and that is why there are doctors for that, okay? So if you can, go there. If not, if that's not the case, don't skip on skincare still. Face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, मतलब जो लोग सब जापते रहते हैं ना चीज़ें कि ये करो वो करो ये करो वो करो, जो पूरी दुनिया बोल रही है, जो एक dermatologist, there are a lot of influencer dermatologists as well. Go watch their videos. Pick one from India if you're from India, okay? Go watch the videos and be like, okay, sunscreen ये है, sunscreen you'll find 10,000 sunscreen. By the way, sunscreen में we don't require SPF 50, because 4+ हमारे लिए ज़्यादा important होता है. तो find what works, what is important, what is the thing that you need to have, and what are the things that you can skip, okay? So find those things, and that is so helpful for you, because here's the thing, my skincare right now is just sunscreen, lip balm, face wash, I have two face wash though, and I would want a cream as well, but मेरे को समझ नहीं आता मैं क्या cream लगाऊँ, बस and my skin feels a lot better nowadays because keep less products but keep the most impactful products. Take a bath every day, do scrub on your body, put body lotion. When you spend so much time and energy in yourself, when you put so much effort in yourself, you will automatically think of yourself better. So this is something that I learned from my roommate in college. That person took care of herself like the best I've ever known. मतलब वो बंदी would do everything. मतलब I have never gotten a facial done, मतलब maybe because of my skin condition as well, but मेरे को ऐसे मैं पार्लर नहीं जाती थी because I was like भाई मैं क्यों ही जाऊँ पार्लर etc etc. तो all of those thoughts that I had in my mind, like those subconscious thoughts, living with her, I used to see her taking care of herself every day, doing the everything bath, putting this face pan, doing that, this, that, and I used to just feel like, damn, she really values herself. She really, really takes care of herself. And it's such a basically, imagine just इतना सा करने से हमारा self worth, हमारा self confidence, हमारा self outlook इतना अच्छा हो जाता है. तो don't you think it is worth it? To try at least, okay? And I'm not saying it might work for everybody, but it worked a lot for me. The days when I take a bath, the days when I scrub my body, the days when I put something on my face like multani mitti or whatever, it works, it does not work, does not matter. But मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है कि I've taken out time for myself, I'm treating myself, I'm doing something for myself that is gonna make me better. And I would really credit to a lot of my outlook changes on her, because looking at her putting itna efforts in herself, I was like, yeah, why can't I do that? Why should I not do that? Like, only reason I'm not doing it is because I'm ugly. Like, make it make sense to me. So I started going to parlor. I started, let's say, just taking a bit more care about myself, and मुझे खुद अच्छा लगता है. And it might be different for you, but is what I am trying to say is take a shot, okay? Do not put yourself in the box that you are ugly. So no need for you to do all of this. Let's just focus on things that are more important. So I used to look like shit in college all the time. मतलब तेल में बाल. I'm not saying तेल बाल is not good, but I was never put an effort in my look. मतलब पुराने कपड़े, दाग लगे हुए कपड़े मैं पहन के चली जाती थी. And then my friend, always dressed, always professional, always really, really good. And I was like, yeah, why am I doing that to myself? Why am I not treating myself good? Because if I'm not treating myself good, I'm also putting out the, अगर एक बंदी proper matching कपड़े पहन के, shoes और like proper outfit पहन के बाहर निकल रही है, और एक इंसान बाल नहीं बने हुए, उसके कपड़े में दाग लगे हुए हैं, खाना पीना गिरा हुआ है, पैंट्स अच्छे नहीं है, ऐसे निकल रही है. Who do you think when you look at it will be like, okay, this person is doing good in life, or this person respects herself, this person values herself? Obviously, at least I would think about the first one, right? So these all things really forced me by the end of my college years to just be like, okay, मैंने college तो निकाल दिया ऐसे, but going forward, this is not the way that I'm gonna be. This is not how I'm gonna live. I'm gonna improve myself. फिर मैं घर आ गई तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं, I know. But still, it is one of those things where you really need to just always keep doing something, because it is gonna help you develop that confidence, develop that faith. And once you have that confidence in yourself कि हाँ भाई मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ, okay, it does not matter if I'm not like the hottest person in the entire world or whatever, but I look nice, and that's all you need. And then you will feel nice, you will feel better, you will feel so much good in yourself. And all of this does not have to be expensive. Like अगर scrub बनाना है तो चीनी से स्क्रब बनाना, तो चीनी स्क्रब कर लिया, फिर बेसन, दूध, टर्मरिक, फेस मास्क बन गया. मतलब we live in India जहाँ इतना जुगाड़ है, इतना हर दुनिया में हर चीज़ का हमारे पास जुगाड़ है, okay? And you can just do that. You don't have to buy Dove का 600 का body scrub और etc. मेरे पास भी नहीं है. Just use चीनी, use coffee powder. मतलब कितने सारे you will find online natural stuff, and you don't even buy anything. जो घर पे पड़ा हुआ है उससे you can make it, okay? So just use the internet properly. Take care of yourself, even when you think that you're not deserving of that, because that will get you rid of that thought you're not deserving of that. And once your brain chemistry changes, दुनिया जाएगी बाहर में. No one can stop you. And that's all for today's video. My Vogue diaries, you know, Vogue, get ready with me. मैंने eyeliner लगा लिया, मैंने lip balm लगा लिया. Although I got this really expensive lip balm, I think Vaseline also works. Vaseline नहीं तो ghee also works. I don't know ghee का और क्या सस्ता alternative हो सकता है. I know ghee is not सस्ता, but I think Vaseline, you know, just go with the super वाला Vaseline, works wonders. And that's all for today's video. Bye bye. See you in the next one.